Your arm is in the way, dude. There it is. Boo! Boo! Daddy loves you. Daddy misses you. He can't wait to see you. I love you. I love you. I love having you. I can't wait to see your daddy. I can't wait to see your daddy. I miss your daddy. I know you miss him too.
Hello?
I know you love him.
I know, Jimmy fixed it for me. I know. And he got the brakes fixed on the car and he changed the oil.
Are you dancing? I love you. We love you.
Yeah.
Daddy and Mommy love you.
No, I don't want the car. I don't have a license.
Hee hee hee. Hee hee hee.
Where are you at? Oh.
We love you. We love you. You're adorable. You're adorable. You're amazing, just like Daddy. You're amazing. And I love you just as much as Daddy. Just as much as Daddy.
Let me see.
You know you're cute, don't you? Don't you? Don't you? You're a little kicker, dude. Ha ha ha. Ha ha ha.
Close.
Ha ha ha. Ha ha ha. 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 Boo.
I see.
Abu. Abu. Ah, boo, 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 boo.
Tattoo. The one on my right. Oh, Carmen Rochelle Paulin. It looks really good. So now I got both of the girls' names on them.